All right, all right, all right. Today I'm sea trialing a Key West 219 FS, and this beautiful boat has 200 horsepower of Yamaha goodness on the back of it. And the FS, the Family Sportsman Series, is designed to balance comfort, fishing capability, and family fun all in one package. It's not just a pure fishing boat or a pure cruiser. It's a versatile, all-around boat from everything from offshore fishing to water sports or cruising with the family and friends. All of that wrapped up in one package that does it all and does it all very well. As you can see, this 21-foot, 9-inch long boat handles the chop with ease thanks to its 8-foot, 6-inch beam, quality construction, superior design, and reverse chine system. With this 200 horsepower Yamaha engine, top speed is around 47 mile an hour. You're going to get your best gas mileage around 3,500 RPM. You'll be doing 23.2 mile an hour and getting 4.22 miles per gallon. At that top speed number, that was a 6,100 RPM, and I was getting 2.27 miles per gallon. So you're looking at a powerful boat, but an exceptionally fuel efficient boat as well. Our time to plane was just under 4 seconds, and our 0 to 30 time was 7 seconds. So with a length of 21 foot 9 inches and an 8-foot 6-inch beam, 80 gallons of fuel, and 200 horsepower of Yammer Hammer goodness, this thing is not just a fishing boat. It's a true family sportsman. It's got a big layout, thoughtful storage, and serious fishing features. That's why you need to add this to your lineup when you're shopping for your next 21-foot versatile boat.
But I don't think I'm ever getting past you. All day, I'll stay. You and me are beautiful.